Namaste students. Today let's see a small part of logical reasoning. Its topic is called coding decoding. That is the chapter number 4 in our worksheet.
If we go by the textbook definition of coding, coding is a method of transmitting information in the form of codes without it being known by the third person.
Whereas decoding is the ability to decipher a certain code, which means to understand the actual meaning of that particular code. There are certain ways of coding decoding, which we will see through the examples. But before going to start the example, we should know the position of the letters in the English alphabets in forward and backward order. When I say forward order, I mean A is coded as 1, B is coded as 2. As we move further, O is coded as 15, X is coded as 24, Y is 25 and Z is 26. Let's look at an example of coding. In a certain code, if FGH is coded as GHI, then find out the code for RST.
See, FGH is coded as GHI. First of all, we need to recognize the pattern how F is coded as G. If we will add +1 in the position of F, that is 6, we will get 7. And 7 is the position of G. Now, check the second letter. G is coded as H. If we will add +1 in G, we will get H. Now, check the third letter. Third letter H is coded as I. Again, if we will add +1 in H, we will get I. Apply the same logic on RST. If we will add +1 in R, we will get S. Then +1 in S, we will get T. Then +1 in T, we will get U. Here, letters of FGH are coded one place forward.
If we look at the other one, which is reverse order of letter. In reverse order, A is given the number 26, which means A is on 26 position from the back and B is on 25. In the same way, X is on 3, Y is on 2 and Z is on 1.
Look at the example of backward order. If SHO is coded as QFM, then what will be the code for GOA? Here SHO is coded as QFM. Again, we have to recognize how S is coded as Q. If we will subtract -2 from the position of S, we will get Q. Come to the second letter. H is coded as F. Again, subtract -2 from H, we will get F. Now, third letter O is coded as M. Again, subtract -2 from O, we will get M. Apply the same logic on GOA. Subtract -2 from G, we will get E. Then -2 from O, we will get M. And then again -2 from A, we will get Y. Here, letters of SHO are coded to place backward. Now let's have a quick recapitulation of the topic coding decoding. First one is forward order coding. If we will add something in the letter is known as forward order coding, and the second one is backward order coding. If we will subtract something from the letter is known as backward order coding. So let's do the assignment with the help of this video. Thank you.